Hey guys, it's Jadie and I'm here with Justin and we're going to be doing the Fart Soundboard Challenge. I saw this challenge on YouTube by Grace Hilbig and she had Mamrie and Hannah Hart with her and it was so funny, so we decided to do it. Once you pick a fart title or option from the soundboard, then the person who laughs first has the drink. This is kind of a remix from how they did it because they took shots, but we're gonna do beer, and I have another extra beer just in case. Okay, so I'm gonna go first. So, why are you laughing? Okay, it's Bug Zap.
You're going for the wrong one. You need to hit the Jurassic farts. Ready?
Okay.
I'll drink on that one. Unexpected.
Oh my god, that's great. Okay. The next one we're gonna do is clucking chicken. Okay.
Alright, we're going for the dueling buttholes.
Laughing. It counts. Anus madness. Alien encounter.
That one bubbled up, didn't it? We got the James Brown stains.
Oh. That was not funny.
Next.
Trumpeteer. One more time.
Gotta get some expression with it. Going for the cheese dog.
Cheese dog. Sounds about right.
Sounds like a chili cheese dog.
Sounds like you had a chili cheese dog. Out of gas.
We're going for the rocking chair. C flat. That's got one of them head turns. I'm gonna pick the Dale Earnhardt. No, hold your tongue. Dale Earnhardt. It's gonna be golden.
It's like
Exactly.
The long and winded road.
Sound like a bad night of drinking all night and eating that Mexican food. Wet and wimpy. A little sputter on the end there, on the back end.
Fart of the bumblebee.
I don't know. That's when you turn your head to right there.
You're like, it wasn't me. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I think we've all had that one. Oh, I like this one. Shaving a haircut.
What?
Short and sweet. Never had that shaving a haircut before.
Light a match. Let's light a match. Okay.
Sphincter stinker. I guess it's silent, but deadly. Sounded painful.
Tiny hiccup. One more time.
Dotting. Macaroni and squeeze. Symphartic finale. Never ending. Oh, I hear it now. The symphony of the farts. I got it. I got it.
That was the best one.
That was a good one. That was the best one of this whole thing so far.
And that's the truth. Yep.
Hot air balloon. That one gets pretty hot.
Bugle boy. Oh, that was not.
That was dotting the I, actually.
Bugle
Slip of the
boy.
finger. There,
I think I can on the can.
That hits too close to home there. Number 2 with the bullet. Shot it right on out of there. I know I should. Shot one right on out.
Weed eater.
Oh, no. Packing tape.
Oh, it's your turn. So you
I'm about to say, get your finger back, finger wars. Oh, that sounds exactly like
packing tape.
Ooh, I see mine. I
want to do tuna melt madness.
Do it. Have at it.
That's a pretty good one.
Sounds like a bad tuna melt if you ask me.
That sounds like
Would you
food
like
poisoning.
ketchup?
Really?
That's the best one I've heard so far.
What's it called?
The Prelude to Crap. What are you saying? Oh, that's a good one.
What are you saying?
Oh, it's like
Like a dog.
the George Push. Oh, that's perfect right there. You have that face look about you like grunting and squeezing. Looking like old Sparky. That's just That's not nice. What about the Justin special?
Do it on me!
Spoon it!
Get away!
Bask in it.
That stinks!
Let's run away on that one.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge. If you really liked this challenge, please comment below. And I hope you guys take the challenge as well, because these farts are nasty. And don't ever let the person next to you fart on you. It's disgusting.
Best way to end a challenge.
And Domo's humping Roxy.
You got a kick out of it.
Surprise! Hey, would you quiet? Hey.
None of that over there. Get off of her. Thank you. You tell him this. Domo, no. Hey.
Every time Domo hears fart noises, he goes and humps Roxy. I don't understand. Okay.
You already lost. Chug your beer.
So.
Sorry guys, you might not get to see the video. It's gonna take up too much time on her recording device. Ooh, prelude to crap.
I think I can.